National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Dinwiddie County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near McKinney, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near DeWitt around 3 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Center Star, Church Road, Five Forks, Walkers, Rocky Run, Ford, Wharf Store, Darvos, and Butterworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Still waiting for that SVA. What the heck? What? Huh? 92.9 WVHL? BBC? The heck? WFLO?
A severe thunderstorm was located near Seagull, 40 southeast hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Radar indicated.
What's that station I got that one time? Keeps resetting.
western Halifax County, northeastern Henry County, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Swansonville, or 7 miles south of Collins, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Eden, Bethel, Ingram, Providence,
Cancel the advisory.
and Blair's. This includes the following location: Danville Airport. Sterling, Virginia has the
Sterling!
thunderstorm warning for South Central Stafford County in northern Virginia, the southeastern city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, east central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 6:45 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spotsylvania, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Fredericksburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
This thing!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could
And it's rotating!
as well as damage homes and vehicles.
Wow!
Roadways may become
That is strong!
Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Massaponax, Spotsylvania,
That is strong.
and Alton.
Oh,
For your protection,
I'm not gonna get that warning.
carry a room
I
on
don't
the
feel like
fourth
it.
floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds and ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
all of them went off!
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Now for the official National Weather Service. The thunderstorm was located.
WVHL's relaying that severe thunderstorm warning from Caroline?
Hazard 70. Please at 30 miles per hour.
What? I'm curious.
In the Please at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts and
Whoa,
quarter-size
considerable.
Wired car has no.
Because the middleman markup.
Count. Power wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Crazy.
Radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage.
WVHL's relaying for every town. That's
Likely to move
cool.
homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bengali around 7:05 p.m. Meanwhile, around 7:15 p.m. Daylight around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Enfield, Central Garage, Orenton, Upshaw, Etna Mills, Panola, Pickworth, East
that's definitely below.
and Gather. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Okay then.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued.
Whoa, what is this? 94.5.
The National Weather Service Western Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Caroline County. At 7:17 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Tucson, Maine, 47 miles north of Lincoln Cottage, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard at 16
Well, I think that's a new station. What? Debris on I-95? Whoa.
Holman Masonry takes great pride in every
No,
project.
no.